Good day, I'm Christine P. Reyes from BPED 2A. In this video, we are going to discuss our answer in given question. The question is, what are the four essential components of any closed-loop control system? Describe how each of the components might function for a child who is using crayon to color a figure in a coloring book. The four essential components of any closed-loop control system are the executive, make decision about the corrective action needed. The second is effector, carries out those decisions. 3 is feedback, information about the actual state of the system. 4 is comparator, or error detection mechanism, compares expected feedback from the desired state to actual feedback from the present state and relays any differences. The executive. Before I start the discussion, let's watch this video first that is all about to our discussion or topic.
What color is that, Ryan?
Pink. White.
Red. Ah, okay, red.
Pink. Pink.
No, red.
Red. Pink.
Yeah, looks like pink.
And then we got another red.
Darker red, is it? Brighter red.
Brighter.
So in the video we watch, we can see here the four essential components of closed-loop control system. Let's discuss first the executive. In our body, the brain is our control system, right? So in four essential components, executive is our brain or control system because it helps us to think and learn. So in this given scenario, the executive function is to help the child think about how he start coloring the coloring book. A controller is used to compare the output of a system with the required condition and convert the error into the control action designed to reduce the error and bring the output of the system back to the desired response. The second essential components is the effector. After we think about what we are going to do, the effector will come, or this is the next step that we are going to do, or the action needed. The function of effector is to help the executive to do the task. The effector drives the feed-forward information to the system. The third one is the feedback. In this scenario, the function of feedback is that this will be the result of what the executive and effector did, or this will be the final output of the executive and effector. The reference to feedback simply means that some portion of the output is returned back to the input to form part of the system as excitation. Feedback systems are used to control and regulate processes. They use the consequences of the process, example, too much or too little produced, to regulate the rate at which the process occurs, to decrease or increase the rate of the process. The last one is the comparator. The function of the comparator in this scenario is to compare whether what the executive effector feedback did was compatible or correct. In short, here we can see if the child did correctly what he had in mind and the action he did. That's all. Thank you.